how to fix apps not showing on Android phone screen. So if you want to fix apps not showing on your Android phone screen, then here are some solutions. The first thing, you need to make sure that you have not hidden the app. So you can open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps, and here you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and make sure that you've tapped on show system services. And here you can search for the application that you don't find on your home screen, and you will find the application right here. Or the other thing you can do is you can just simply go with your app search from your home screen, and here you can search for the application that you want, and you will find the application. If you don't find the application, then make sure that you have not hidden your application. To check that, you need to open up your settings, and under settings you need to search for hide apps. Here you will have hidden apps. Tap on it, and then if you've turned on like for example, I'll turn on Viber, and if I go back and search for Viber, I don't have the Viber application right here because it's hidden. Even if I go with the search and if I search for Viber, there's no Viber. So you need to make sure that you have not hidden your applications. So you need to go and turn it off if something is hidden. And now if you go and search for Viber, then you will have the application right here. So after this, you just need to simply go and restart your device. After restarting, you'll find your apps that are not showing in your home screen. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.